You guys tired? Woo! No? Yeah?
Wow.
Look at the energy, do you?
Lollapalooza, I really, really love your energy. Thank you so much for that. Well, you've seen one side of SB19, right? Doing all the hard choreographies, like singing while dancing, but now we want to show you the other side of SB19. Now, this time around, let's make things slow. Now, let's slow down for a little bit. For this next song. For this next set of songs.
Bro, I just want to appreciate you all. I just want to appreciate everyone who's sticking with us right now, even though it's hot. Thank you so much. I can barely actually open my eyes, but you know, you guys are amazing. You guys are really amazing.
Yeah.
For our next song, we hope you feel it. Wherever you're from, or wherever you're watching from around the world, we hope these songs remind you of the people who feel like home. Even if you don't speak Filipino, we hope you feel every word. This is Mapa.
Kamusta natin tayo lagi nakikita, miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami yung nauuna, ngayon naman ikaw na muna, akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata, sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iiba ang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipigit ang iyong magkakama. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis na iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na. La-tara-tara, la-tara-tara, la-tara-tara-tara, la-tara-tara, 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 la-tara.